Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to apply a template to an Instagram Reel. Instagram Reels are a great way to showcase your creativity and engage with your audience. Here are the steps. First, open Instagram and tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the camera screen. Slide the cursor until it stops on Reel and tap on it. This will open the Reel camera. Tap on the gallery button in the bottom left corner of the screen. It looks like a picture with a plus symbol. Tap on Templates. This will bring up a selection of templates you can choose from. You can choose from different variations of templates, including ones with or without audio or trending templates. Once you've found a template you like, tap on it to select it. You can add media or videos to the template and customize it until it suits your style. Customizing your template is easy. You can add text, change the font and color, and even change the background. Once you've customized your template, you can add music or other audio to your reel to make it more engaging, and that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily apply a template to your Instagram Reel. By doing so, you can make your reels more creative and engaging and help them stand out from the crowd. Remember, Instagram offers a variety of templates to choose from, so feel free to experiment and find the one that fits your style and brand best. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips like this one. Thanks for watching.